Hi guys, this week we're going to learn more about functions in Python. Let's get started. So first, let's make a basic, a print function here. So def print me and then a comma, of course, so an x between the parentheses. Then just print x. Alright, then we do print me, then baby. Then let's do 3 of these, so just copy and paste them. Then let's put a number and let's put a float, 6.2. When you print this, it prints baby 5 and 6.2. Okay, it works. And what if we want to do it all together in one function? So let's do baby 5 and then 6.2. Well, when you run this, it'll actually not work, because when you have a function like this that requires an input, you can only put the required amount of inputs. If you require x, y, and z, you can only put 3 numbers or 3 data inside. You can't put more. So what if you don't know how much stuff the user is going to input? Well, you can put an asterisk before the x. Okay, and with that simple fix, when you run this, it now works. So it now prints baby 5 and 6.2. Alright, okay, so what if we make a function here, print me, but with nothing inside, and we remove the asterisk? So we remove the extra data here, and so just print me, then the baby string, and print me with nothing inside. Well, it doesn't work because it really requires the input. So how do you make the code still run even though there's no input? Well, you can make a default argument if there's no input from the user. So we can do it here. X equals let's say 10. So if they don't put anything inside this, you can just run the code and then it displays 10. Alright, so now let's do a mathematical one. Let's remove this, print me 3, and then now we do x equals z equals x plus 1. Now you print z. Alright, then does this 4, so it's print. But what if we just use the print function here? Does that mean we don't need this print function anymore? Well, when you do this, it says none, because we can't print this only, because it doesn't return the variable or the data. So we have to use the return variable. So return x plus 1. So whatever x is plus 1, it returns it back here. So now x plus 1 is 4. Alright, now just one simple reminder: a function can never be empty. If you want, for some reason, you want a function to be empty, you can just put the pass variable here and your code will run just fine. So I hope you enjoy this video. Next week, we're actually going to announce our new TikTok account. So we hope you'll follow there and stay curious.